Have you ever wondered how a simple number can reveal so much about your health? Enter the Body Mass Index, or BMI, an essential measurement that can help gauge whether you're in a healthy weight range. In today's fast-paced world, understanding your BMI may be the key to unlocking a healthier lifestyle. Calculating your BMI is straightforward yet impactful. Start with your weight in kilograms and divide it by your height in meters squared. The formula is BMI equals sign weight, kg, height, mx height, m. For example, if you weigh 70 kilograms and are 1.75 meters tall, the calculation would look like this. 70, 1.75 x 1.75, resulting in a BMI of around 22.9. This number can then be interpreted using defined categories: underweight, normal weight, overweight, and obesity. Now, why is the BMI calculation so significant? With the rise of health-related issues globally, understanding where you fall on the BMI scale can empower you to make informed decisions. It's vital to remember, however, that while BMI is a useful tool, it does not account for muscle mass, bone density, or overall body composition. Therefore, it should be used alongside other health assessments to get a complete picture. So, as you navigate your health journey, take a moment to calculate your BMI. Who knows? You might just uncover insights that motivate you to embark on new wellness adventures. Consider sharing your results and health goals in the comments section. Perhaps your journey could inspire someone else to take that crucial first step toward a healthier life.